Hi guys, my name's Jake. I'm a leak detection expert here at Jetset Plumbing. So today I'm just going to explain a little 3 ways you can sort of have a bit of an idea that you may have a leak on your property that's causing you to lose water, causing you to obviously pay excess amounts of money to local councils and government authorities, and how you can sort of stop that, and if need be, you've always got the backup of calling us up to check it all out. But number 1 is obviously, first things first, check your water meter wherever that may be. If it's at the front, if it's at the side of the house, if it's near the driveway, out the back, wherever your water meter is, you go out, you lift the little dial, and you'll see if there's a dial spinning or if the number's ticking over. And if you've got nothing on inside the house, dishwashers, washing machines, toilets, anything like that, nothing's being used, and that meter is ticking over, you have a water leak. That's number 1. Number 2 is that you can visibly see a wet patch or dampness raising to the surface from either under concrete or in a grassed area or a garden or something like that, and it doesn't go away. So if it's there for a long time, you have a water leak. So, and then that's when obviously you go out, check your meter, and more than likely it's ticking over. These things are going to start to add up. But number 3, another red hot sign that you might have a leak, is that either, I'll give you 2 for 1 here. Either 1, you can actually hear a sound in your water pipes when everything's shut off. That may be a cause. I've seen many people, and I've gone to their house, and you can actually hear the pipes or hear in the taps a little sound. So that's number 1. And number 2, you may see water escaping from a drain somewhere out the front. Your stormwater drains that run to the street, or if they run somewhere, a lot of the time the moisture can track into the trench of the stormwater, or potentially into the ag piping that's in that system, and it can flow through that trench or flow through the pipe, and it'll escape out to the street. So if you're noticing that it hasn't rained for 2, 3, 4 weeks, and there's water coming out of your stormwater pipe, you have a leak, guys. So that's 3 or 4 tips on how you may have a leak in your water system that's coming from the town mains, or potentially a tank or something like that. But guys, keep on top of it, and as you know, if you are having troubles, give us a call. If you are got any questions, give us a call. We can come out, we can do a check, we can cover from top to bottom whether you do have a water leak if you're paying too much money for water. Have a great day, guys.